Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Ballerina Peppermintina from Steel of Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the shape of the head. So right on the top we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right, flattening that out in the center. Let's close off the side of the head. So on the left hand side we're going to arch this line around. We're going to pull that in on the bottom. We're going to do the same thing as we step over on the right, arching this over and through, blending that back together in the center. Let's come up in the middle. We're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then for the mouth directly underneath, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to move over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now on the top left-hand side, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then we're going to come down on a diagonal, replicating that, just making this one even smaller. And then we're just going to color in this pupil black. We're going to thicken this line up on the top now. So from the top here, we're going to curve this around and in on the left. And then we're going to step over, doing the same thing on the right, curving that down. Let's add in some eyelashes now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then moving down again, we're going to replicate that once more. And then we can just color in those eyelashes black. Let's come up for the eyebrow. We're going to draw in an arch line coming up on a slight diagonal. And then from that inside corner, we're just going to curve this back around and through towards that edge. Now let's come down for the cheek. We're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then we'll step across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's move up drawing in the Santa hat. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this in towards the top of our page. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And now from that corner, we're just going to arch this back, around, and down towards the inside corner there. Let's close off the top of the Santa hat now. So stepping in slightly from this line, we're going to arch this over and across. And then now starting back on that line, we're just going to arch this around and in on the top. We're going to draw in a circle for the pom-pom on the bottom of that hat. And then on the top here, stepping in, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line, curving that in towards the top. We're going to draw in the cup handle over on the left-hand side. So starting with the outside line, we're going to arch this line around and back in on the left. And then moving across again, we're just going to arch this over and through on the side. Now for the neck, let's come down. We're going to draw in a slight curved line on the left and right hand side. We're going to end these at the exact same height. And then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in towards the center. Let's draw in another small diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to join this together at a point right in the middle, closing that off. Let's draw on the dress. So we're going to come over on the side and we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. And then from that edge, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming across. Right on the top here, let's draw in a circle for the button. And then stepping underneath that for the belt buckle, we're just going to draw in a square right in the middle. Let's move in towards the middle, and again, we're just going to draw in another square. And now for the belt, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes out on both sides, doing the same thing on the bottom, leaving a small gap, closing that off. Now let's move in. We're going to draw in a curved line arching that in. Again, from that corner, curving this around and down. And then again, one more time, we're just gonna finish that, ending that in the middle. We're gonna do the same in the opposite direction. Now, starting on the top, we're gonna curve this line in on both sides. Again, moving over, we're gonna curve this around and up. And then again, right in the center, curving that in towards the middle. Let's draw on the arm. So right on the top from the chin here, we're gonna curve this line out. And then we're gonna move down underneath, replicating that, and we're gonna bring that all the way up, ending that at the same height as our line on the top. Now from here, let's curve this line across, extending that past both of our lines on the bottom. We're going to draw in a curved line on the top and bottom for the wrist. And then we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw on the hand. So for the thumb, we're going to arch this around and down. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this up, around, and then back in, closing off the rest of that hand. Lastly, we just have to draw in her legs. So stepping over from the middle, we're going to leave a small gap, and we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to move over, drawing this line in on a slight diagonal, making that wider at the top and getting thinner as we come in towards the base. Now let's draw in the feet. So on the inside line, we're going to curve this down, around, and back up. Now on the bottom, in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. And now let's just add those stripes coming up the legs. So on the bottom here, we're just going to curve this line across. We're going to step up, replicating that. Again, leaving a gap. Let's draw in another curved line. Let's move up again, closing that off. And then one more time. And that is it. That's how you draw Ballerina Peppermintina from Stila Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.